Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I thank you so much for tuning in to watch this long process of trimming my split ends that I haven't done in a while. Right here I'm just doing a quick cold wash because I have a little bit of products on my hair, but I wanted my hair to be clean, but I did not want to use shampoo in my hair because previously I washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner last week, and I did not want to use shampoo in my hair again so quickly. So I'm just doing a quick deep conditioner in my hair and to get ready to blow dry it out and get it together. So thank you so much again, once again, for watching this video, and I hope you like it. And if you do, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that bell notification as well so that you don't miss any upload when I put up my new videos. Thank you so much again for watching, and keep on taking care of your hair. Love you guys. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. So basically all I'm doing here is just washing my hair section by section, and just making sure that I get all the tangling out of my hair. I hate combing my hair, and this is so easy for me when I put my hair in sections to wash it. And for those of you who have 4C, 4B hair, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to washing your hair without parting it in sections. So that's all I'm doing, and I am going to skip this part so that I don't make this video as long and drawn out as possible. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. You're not missing anything. Just basically just doing a cold wash, and that's about it. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of the whole clipping my hair and all that stuff right now. Hey guys, okay, so I finished blow drying my hair out. Like I said, I didn't really blow it all the way out because I'm afraid of my hair. If you have 4C hair, you know the struggle of combing your hair out. Plus I have all these split ends. It's ridiculous. I don't know if you guys can see it, but man, it is so damaged. Like I said, I haven't clipped my ends in about a year and a half or more, to be honest, because I really don't focus on my hair that much, which I know I should, but I decided that I'm gonna start doing that right now. Like today I'm gonna start doing better with my hair. Anyways, I haven't put any oil or anything on my scalp yet. So normally what I use for my scalp, and it really grow my hair a lot, is the wild growth, and I normally just put it on my scalp, but I'm not gonna put it on yet. And this is the oil that I use on my hair, and I like it a lot. It don't leave like if I use like edge control or something after using this on my hair, it doesn't like leave any like build up. So I'm just putting a little bit on my hair because I am gonna straighten my hair in order for me to clip the ends, because it's really damaged. Guys, if you are interested in going natural, do the opposite like what I did, because I literally didn't clip my ends. I didn't do anything. I just let it grow and just keep it moving. I just constantly do protective style crochets over and over and over, and I didn't really focus on my own hair. So don't do like me. Try your best to get your ends clipped at least twice out of the year, so like every 6 months. Please do it. Don't be like me. I'm warning you guys, because you will end up with hair but damaged hair. You know what I mean? I just want to show you guys how it is in the front, and then I start really from the back. I just ran the heater once around it, and look at the ends. It's a mess. Can you guys see? Yeah, it's a mess. That feels so good. Look at how bouncy and healthy that looks. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys. Look at all this. All this literally is split ends. So this is about an inch or inch and a half of my hair. Literally all of that is split ends. So let me set up so you guys can see. It's literally dead ends. Look at how beautiful and healthy that looks. So healthy. Look close. See it? Pretty damaged. A little tip, if you're home and you want to clip your ends, the best thing for you to do is to be in front of a light and hold your hair up, and you will definitely see where the split ends are, so that you don't cut more of your hair than what you're supposed to. So me looking like this, I can literally see exactly where my breakage are on my hair, and I can clip it. So, alrighty, more split ends, more dead ends. And just to show you guys what I'm talking about, if I come up to the camera, you can see the dead ends on my hair like this, because the light is literally reflecting on it to see where it breaks or not. So that's what I mean by make sure you're in front of a light. If you're not going to someone that's professional, if you're doing it at home, that's what I mean. If you're clipping the hair at home, make sure you're facing the light so that you can see where your ends are breaking off from. Okay guys, so this is my hair so far. Like I'm in love with it so far. I haven't like bumped it or anything else. I just straighten and clip, and it feels so healthy right now compared to this. This is yeah, but I just wanted to pop in and show you guys where I'm at so far and do another one. Okay. As you can see, what I mean by we tend to keep the length because we think it's long and full, but the fact that it's not healthy, look at the ends. It's so flimsy. It's not flowing like how this part of my hair is. This is really dry and flimsy. Look at the difference. So pretty. Hey guys, so I'm finally at the top. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks really nice and light and so healthy. Like, it looks so healthy to me. But I don't, like I said, it's not gonna look extremely bone straight because I did not put the flat iron on the highest. I leave it on 350 so that I don't put a lot of heat on my hair, because the whole purpose of this is to make my hair grow healthy without applying a lot of heat to it. So I'm at the front, finally at the top. Thought I wasn't gonna make it there, but finally I did. So I'm just going in. Oh, and to have 4C here, you guys know it's not an easy task to flat iron the hair, to comb it out. It is not easy. Like, this is the chunk of hair that I took out of my hair already, just from the split ends, not include the ones that's on the floor. That's damaged hair, guys, from not taking care of my hair. Alrighty, saying bye-bye to my last damaged split end. Okay guys, so this is the finishing product of me trimming and getting my hair back to how I want it. Oh my gosh, guys, it took me forever to comb through this hair, to flat iron it, to get it cut. I mean, to clipping the ends and all that stuff. It took me forever, but I finally did it.
and it's so healthy. I mean, as you guys can see, it looks healthy. Man, as you guys can see, the before, it was terrible. It was in need of a trim. And I think I cut at least 3 or 4 inches off my hair. No, I'm over exaggerating. Probably like 3 inches off my hair because it was so damaged. I did not clip my ends for about 1.5 years, and I regret doing that because I know my hair would have grown longer and healthier. But you live and you learn. What can you do? So I'm just here doing a fresh start and just show you guys what it's like to have 4C, 4B hair and not taking care of it. So I decided I just wanted to show you guys how my hair is, and what I've been doing is just wearing protective styles, and I'm thinking I'm protecting my hair from being damaged, but to be honest, it was damaged underneath doing all that protective style without. And that's because I wasn't trimming it, I wasn't doing a deep conditioner, I wasn't using the right products in my hair because I wasn't wearing my hair out. So I didn't really care. But now that I want to wear my hair out more, I decided that I wanted to do the right thing for myself and for my hair. So that's what I did. So I clip it. The ends, I don't know if can you guys see it? Yeah, so I really love my hair like this, but unfortunately, you know, us 4C girls, we can't go outside like this and then come back home with the same style. It's gonna be a fro. So I just did it to straighten my hair just to get it cut and be healthier. So by tomorrow morning, this thing gonna be fro. But anyways, I love it. And yeah, but don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. And if you like this video, leave a comment down below and let me know if you like it. I just did a few clips of me cutting my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys how damaged my hair was and how it looked now. It looked totally different from what it was before. It's way much healthier, and yeah, I'm happy with it. I love it. I feel like I did a great job. If you guys do not know how to cut your hair on your own, I would advise you to go to a professional that knows about your natural hair. That's it. No one else but someone who knows about natural hair, because they will cut more than what they're supposed to if they don't know how to deal with natural hair. Okay, so go to someone that knows how to cut it. Like me, I know how to cut my own hair, so that's why I cut my own hair. And I did leave a little tips, some tips in there on how you can cut your hair without cutting too much of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join my family. I would love to have you guys in my community, and please let me know if you guys want me to do any style about 4C, 4B hair, and I will definitely do that for you guys. I have a lot more video coming your way, so don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys so much. This is it. I don't have any hair on the sides, so that's why you guys don't see any hair. I cut my sides off. Yeah, but this is it. I love it. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you guys so much. Be blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.